Hey everyone, welcome back. If your SHEIN tracking is not updating, this usually means that the package is still being processed. First, wait at least 24 to 48 hours after the shipping confirmation. Then, you're going to refresh your tracking page or reopen the app. Also, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the SHEIN app, swipe it away, wait for Wait for a few seconds, then reopen the app. After that, try checking the tracking number directly on the courier website. If the tracking still does not update for several days, go ahead and open the SHEIN app, go to Me Your Account section, then go to Customer Service and contact the SHEIN Customer Service support through the app and explain your problem, and they will give you the response. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.